Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make cheese curds. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just here in the pot I've got 3 litres of full cream milk. All we want to do is on a low to medium heat, slowly bring this up to 35 degrees Celsius. Now you want to make sure to keep on stirring it every, say, minute, because we don't want this to burn. And that's really all there is to do at this point. Make sure you're not using skim milk because this won't work. Alright guys, so once you get to 35 degrees Celsius, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of calcium chloride. Now you can buy these from pretty much any website that deals with cheese making. And we're also going to be adding in 1 sachet of mesophilic cultures. Now this can also be found in anything to do with cheese making. And we're just going to add that straight in. And make sure to get that all out. And we just want to stir that through. Just like so. And all we want to do is wait half an hour, but we want to keep the milk at this temperature, so 35 degrees Celsius. Now you can leave that on a very low heat, or you can actually put your pot into a large pot with some hot water, which will maintain the temperature. So whatever you're more comfortable with. Alright guys, so we're at the 30-minute mark now. So just into a bowl here, I've got a 1/4 cup of normal tap water. To this I'm going to add 1 rennet tablet. And all we want to do is just dissolve that, which is fairly easy, and just mix it. And we want to get that very well dissolved. Just like so. And all we're going to do is add this straight into our milk. And we just want to stir this for 30 seconds. Now guys, you want to keep maintaining that 35 degree temperature. Alright, so after 30 seconds, we're just going to put a lid on, just to keep that warm. And we're going to leave it for another 30 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 30-minute mark now. So it should have solidified, not 100%, but it shouldn't be liquid anymore. So what we're going to do is just using a very sharp knife, we just want to cut long ways first, just so we make rectangles. These are about 1 inch apart, like so. Then we'll also go this way, about 1 inch apart. So we're basically creating cubes. So guys, what we're going to do now is just very carefully stir this. Just look how cool that looks. And what we're also going to do is start to increase our heat, and we're going to go to 45 degrees Celsius. Now do keep in mind, as you stir, the curds will actually get smaller, and that's normal. So we're just going to cook this for about another 30 minutes while reaching 45 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, so I've been cooking this for about 30 minutes now, and it has just reached the 45 degree mark. And I'm quite happy with how they look now. Now if you want them to be drier, it's just a matter of cooking them longer. But I personally don't want that. So what we're going to do is strain these. Now rather than just throwing this into a colander, I'm just going to use a slotted spoon and pick them up like this and place them into a sifter lined with a cheesecloth. So what we'll do is we'll just place it straight in. This way we get rid of the excess water. Now if you don't have a cheesecloth, a tea towel works just as fine. So what we're going to do at this point is just lift up all the corners. And you just want to gently squeeze so we can get rid of all that excess water. Alright, and as you can see, that already looks so much better. So we'll tie it back up again, and we just want to give it a twist and place it in here. And guys, all you want to do at this point is put a plate, for example, on, and just push it down, and you just want to put something heavy on it. What this will do is force all that liquid out. And we just want to let that sit there for about an hour. Alright guys, so after an hour we'll take the plate off. And you can see how much liquid still came out even after all that squeezing. So that's why we need to put the weight on it. So we'll discard that. And we'll just carefully unwrap this. And just look at that. How beautiful does that look? So all we need to do now is just slice this into pieces. Just like that in our hands. And you can break it up into whatever piece you want. So I'm just going to go little lumps like that because I want to make poutine with it. But if you want, you can shred it, you can grate it, you can slice it, or whatever you like. So we'll just keep breaking that up and we'll place it into another bowl for now. Alright, all I'm going to do at this point is just sprinkle in a pinch of salt just for flavouring. Just mix that together. Alright guys, so that's good to go now. So as I said, in my case I'm going to make poutine with it. But you can do anything. You can put this into a pizza, onto a pasta, you can obviously have it on its own. So guys, storage wise, keep it in an airtight container. A Ziploc bag is perfect for this. And obviously keep it in the fridge. You should be able to get up to about 2 weeks out of it. But obviously it will lose its texture the longer you leave it. So it's best to consume within a few days. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.